Galing pang practice tong partner ko. Kung inyong napapansin, Coach, itong si Mbang ay wala pa rin sa ating hardcourt. Nung una ay groin injury ang sinabi sa atin. Ngayon daw, Coach,
What have you for Bradwin Quinto? But so far, not so good to start the first quarter for Bradwin.
nice spin coming from violation. Gamit na gamit yan dito sa ating NCAA Season 91. Bradwin Quinto, napakagandang ikot niya, Coach.
Roddy Santos.
Tama, Coach AG. Tayo po ay nasa ating second quarter na. Para naman sa panig ng EAC Generals, Monsayak, Morada, Onmubere, Lamino, Mejos. Samantalang itong si Lamino ay hindi pa nagpapahinga sa ating ball game. Corner 3. That is good. First 3 points ng ating ball game coming from the Generals.
Boy is standing about 6'3 and a half, 6'4. Very, very young. Let's see if he's gonna take this. Giving
Pero
up on that
pinalik kay
one.
Pascua. Eto na. EAC. Ayan, napakaganda, Coach. Tumalo daw sa team nila. Ibig sabihin, hindi yun ang kuponan niya. Pero nanonood siya ng NCAA. Maraming
Exactly. A
salamat.
lot of them really watching, enjoying the ball game, regardless of whatever team you're rooting for, no?
Ating first half, eto, Francis Monsayak. Nilabas ang bola. All day to shoot for 3. Break for Stags and the Generals. Bradwin Quinto, alam niya yan. Michael Kalisaan, napakagandang extra pass. Ako pong inyong lingkod, Onmubere. First time in the ball game itong si Bulanadi para sa San Sebastian Stags. Narinig ka ata versus Mapua Cardinals. At para sa ating pangatlong laro, Letra Knights naman yan na wala pang talo sa Season 91 kontra Arellano.
And of course, Arellano just losing sa kanilang unang laro, ano?
Parang narinig ko yung sinabi ni Coach Andy doon, no? Eto na si Jam. Tingnan natin kung iinit. Eto na nga. Pa rin dito ang kalamangan ng Generals 51 kontra Stags 48. Costello with the ball. Fabian. Nadulas ang kanyang defender. David na naman. Nakakuha ng 2 sunod na puntos yan. AGK Mr. Melchor Divina of the Management Committee. Ang nasabi natin, malamig siya. Tumatalo ng isang Stag. Ayun, at nakita na rin. Finally, Michael Kalisaan.
15 seconds remaining here in this ball game. Emilio Aguinaldo almost 90% of the time has been on top.
3-on-1 break. Diego nakakapasok lang. Going hard and skying high for the putback is Lamino.
3:53 remaining. That was a good press break and a fast break on the part of EAC.
Lamino, tapi ka ng bola. Eto, 3-on-1 break. Tingnan natin kung makikita ni Jam ang kanyang kakampi. Decides to take the 3. And that is good. Big man, 5 seconds remaining. Morada decides to pull up. That is good. Popping!
That will be big.
5th week sa ating NCAA Season 91.